This year at the 2023 Florida RV Super Show, we have gone to every single booth in the place. And what we're doing is we're gonna find you the 3 coolest products for 2023. So as I go around this show, why don't you come on with me and let's find the 3 best products for 2023. Going to an RV show is very, very difficult. So Patti and I are gonna take the difficulty out of it and find the 3 best products here at this Florida RV Super Show in 2023. And this is our number 1. It's called Liquify. And I gotta tell you, I'm taking as many of these as I possibly can because I gotta tell you, this stuff just works. It really, really works. For the first time, I can see that all my tank centers are empty, and they don't even advertise that they do that. This stuff is black tank, makes it smell good, liquefies everything in there, and it just works. Like I said before, coming to an RV show can be overwhelming. Thousands and thousands of vendors. So I have gone to every single booth at the Florida RV Super Show, and I'm showing you the best booths and the best products for 2023. And one of them is right here. It's this JLF Adventures inflatable kayak. They have a 1- and 2-person kayak. It is incredible. And if that's not enough, come on over here. Look at this. They have an inflatable paddleboard that it's hard as a rock, it's steady. I have actually been on one of these because my son owns one, and in Bend, Oregon, we went down the river. We absolutely loved it. It comes down and folds up and gets into this backpack right here. I gotta tell you, this thing is incredible. And if that's not enough, come on over here, look at this. This great big kayak comes down to this size right here, all the way down to this little teeny thing. And you know what?
It's on YouTube.
This is a must-have for every single RVer, because this product right here, I can tell you firsthand, it is quality. It really, really works. It's hard as a rock. It's buoyancy. It's a 1-person. It's a 2-person. This is one of my best products of the 2023 Tampa RV Super Show. We will see you down the road. Water. Do you know that human beings are like 90-some-odd% water? It's one of the most important things that we need to live. And in your RV, you need water just like human beings do. Well, I have to tell you, the Clear 2.0 system, and they are here this year at the Florida Super Show. I gotta tell you, this system right here is absolutely incredible. This product right here takes it from either the 20 or 10 microns, and it's kind of like a pre-filter. So it gets all the sand and bigger sediment and junk out. And then it takes it down to this. We've all seen these on the back of our RV. They're white, they're blue, but when you have the lime green one, that's the Clear 2.0 one, and the big difference is this one takes you down to 1 micron. It's absolutely incredible, and it is one of my best picks for the 2023 RV Super Show. This product combined with this product, they are absolutely incredible, and my water is great. But if you're a water freak and you want to go even further than that, come on over here. Let me show you what to do over here. Excuse me, sir. Let me jump right over here. This is the Clear 2.0 3-stage water system. Now, this first one over here, that one is almost the same as those 2 green ones I showed you. It kind of takes all the big sediment out. And then it brings it down to 5 microns and then down to 1 micron, and it keeps the water pressure up. I've got to tell you, this thing is absolutely incredible. Then you want to improve the taste of the water in your rig? Well, you can get one of those here, and they have a charcoal filter water piece. I gotta tell you, this is the way to go. That is why it is one of my 3 best products for this year's 2023 Florida RV Super Show. Well, I hope you agree with me and you like the 3 best products that we picked out. That tank cleaner, you've used it, it's incredible, right?
You got it.
And those inflatable rafts, we love them. And guess what? We all love water, and those Clear 2.0 products, there's something you just have to have. From the Florida RV Super Show, I'm Dan Hunt with my incredible wife, Patti. Standing in for my incredible wife, Patti Hunt, is Patrick Buchanan from RV Life, saying have a great rest of today.
And an even better tomorrow.